How to fix Roblox random crashing and freezing issue. So first, you just have to go to your Roblox settings, and then here, what you want to do is to simply change your graphic mode from automatic to manual. Also, for graphics quality, you can reduce it if you want, and if it's possible, you have to turn this one on performance stats so that you would know the performance of your game or the settings of your game. Now, another reason why you encounter this problem is because your settings or your Windows is not yet updated. So to do that, what you want to do is just simply go to the search bar and then look for Windows Update. Okay, so you can type Windows Update. Okay, tap this one here. And as you can see, my Windows is not yet updated. So that's the reason why I encountered this kind of problem. So to fix this, all you have to do is just simply click check for updates, and this will include the things or the system settings that needed to be updated when playing Roblox. Okay, and then after doing this, if the situation or if the problem is not yet fixed, what you want to do is simply go to the search bar again and then type task manager, and then all you have to do is to simply end task of the system or applications that are running that you think are the reasons why it's affecting your Roblox game. Okay, so if you found some systems or applications here, then what you want to do is to click and then tap end task. Okay, and the very last thing to do if you still encounter this kind of issue or problem is to just simply check compatibility. So go to the search bar again, type Roblox, and then look for open file location. Okay, tap this one here, and then look for Roblox, tap again or right click, and then go to properties. Now look for compatibility, and then this time you have to click this disable full screen, and then go to this part right here, run this program. Compatibility for Windows 7. Click apply and then OK. And that's it. Now try to open Roblox and see if one of these methods help you to fix this Roblox random crashing and freezing issue. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.